Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to talk about an important feature in the Vivaldi browser on your phone that helps you maintain privacy by clearing your session browsing data automatically. You will know exactly. First, open the Vivaldi browser on your phone. Next, tap on the Vivaldi icon at the top right. From this menu, scroll down and select the Settings option to access browser preferences. Inside Settings, scroll down until you find the section called Privacy and Security. Then tap on it. Then scroll down until you see Clear Session Browsing Data on Exit and tap on it. Next, turn on Clear Browsing Data when you select Exit. Then, you will be able to choose the types of data you want the browser to delete every time you exit, such as history, cookies, or cached files. Now, every time you close the Vivaldi browser, the selected data will be automatically deleted, keeping your browsing private and secure. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others.